Wash your ViaTerra riding jacket when it looks or feels dirty, usually after 10-15 days of rigorous wear in hot and sweaty conditions, or as you deem necessary in cold weather. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Preparation. To prepare your jacket for a wash, remove all the armors, shoulder, elbow, back as well as chest if any. Empty out all the storage pockets and dust them out to remove any sand or other small particles from it. You can choose to leave the pockets open, but remember to close the main zipper of the jacket before you start the process. Loosen and secure Velcro adjusters at the cuff and waist. Step 2. The first rinse. Fill a suitably large bucket or tub with regular room temperature water, then immerse the garment completely and allow it to soak for 5 minutes. Rinse the jacket well before taking it out. Step 3. Refill the container with clean water, and this time again you can add or mix a mild detergent. This is our preference, but it's not the only way that you can use. Ideally, use a detergent that is specifically made for cleaning technical apparel. Using regular detergent, fabric softeners, whiteners, or any type of harsher cleaning substance could damage the materials or coatings on your riding gear. Soak the jacket in this mix for 5 minutes and then scrub it gently. You can use a soft brush like a soft or extra soft graded toothbrush to scrub specific parts of the garment like the cuffs, collar, straps, or other dirt-prone areas. You can also tackle specific dirty areas by adding a small quantity of the same mild detergent and scrubbing using the soft bristle brush. Step 4. Refill the container with clean water this time and rinse the jacket thoroughly to remove all dirt as well as the cleaning agent. If required, repeat this step. Step 5. After rinsing, ensure that there is no water retained in the pockets or anywhere else in the jacket. Use a wide hanger like a coat hanger to hang the jacket to air dry in a shaded but well ventilated space. Number 6. Once the jacket is completely dry, pay specific attention to the zipper and Velcro on the jacket. Use a clean soft bristle brush to remove any remnant of the dirt particles. If required, use wax or a silicone based lubricant to restore the smooth movement of both the zippers. And number 7. Remember to reinsert the armors into the jacket before you set off on your next ride.